Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Ritam News. India has embarked on a significant journey towards enhancing its defense and aviation capabilities with the inauguration of its first private military aircraft production facility in Vadodara's Harni area. Spread over 50 acres, this facility, a joint initiative by Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Airbus, is set to revolutionize the country's defense manufacturing landscape by producing C-295 medium-lift tactical transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force. The facility is expected to create approximately 3,000 direct jobs with the potential for thousands of indirect jobs across the country. Officials have noted that the workforce will predominantly consist of Indian nationals, spanning various roles from assembly line workers to management positions. Additionally, the local workforce will benefit from employment opportunities within Vadodara, as support staff will likely be recruited from the surrounding areas. The manufacturing process for the C-295 will involve the production of 13,000 parts, with most components being manufactured domestically. This local sourcing will not only contribute to job creation but also enhance the self-reliance of India's defense manufacturing ecosystem, aligning with government's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez jointly inaugurated the facility, which is slated to commence operations after Diwali. At the event, Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekharan expressed pride in establishing this advanced facility, emphasizing its role in bolstering India's defense and advanced manufacturing capabilities. He also highlighted the ongoing training of over 200 engineers in Spain, underscoring the collaborative spirit of this endeavor. The facility aims not only to meet the immediate demand for 40 C-295 aircrafts, but also to position itself as a hub for future aviation needs. Plans include transforming the Vadodara facility into a manufacturing and maintenance, repair and overhaul hub, enhancing India's competitiveness in the global aerospace industry. The C-295 program marks a pivotal moment in India's aspiration to establish a self-sustaining aircraft manufacturing industry. As noted by Michael Skolhorn, CEO of Airbus Defence and Space, this initiative signifies a commitment to support India's vision for self-reliance in defence manufacturing, with over 85% of aircraft structural and assembly processes to be conducted in India. This is the first Make in India initiative in the private aerospace sector, paving the way for India to acquire 56 C-295 aircrafts. The larger vision extends beyond the current project, aiming to position India as a leading aviation hub by the end of the decade. Civil Aviation Minister Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu highlighted the critical importance of developing indigenous aircrafts, stating that this initiative would not only showcase India's aerospace capabilities but also strengthen its position as a preferred manufacturing hub. The global commercial aircraft market is dominated by Boeing and Airbus, which controls nearly 90% of the market share. The complexity of building a commercial aircraft from scratch is immense, and while India has made strides in producing components in smaller aircrafts, establishing a full-fledged commercial aircraft manufacturing ecosystem will require sustained effort and innovation. With a burgeoning middle class and increasing demand for air travel, the Indian aviation sector is poised for exponential growth. Current estimates indicate that India will require 2,210 new aircrafts over the next 2 decades, creating a pressing need for domestic manufacturing capabilities. By focusing on local production and employment, the country is not only addressing its defense needs, but also laying the groundwork for a robust aviation industry. The government's ambitious plan, coupled with collaboration from private entities, could soon position India as a competitive player in the global aviation market, fostering innovation and economic growth in the years to come. Jai Hind.